Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and first impressions video of the HolyHigh wireless earphones. Specifically, this is the, let me double check, the EA8 model. So HolyHigh EA8. This isn't the first video of HolyHigh earphones that we've done here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. It's a very popular brand, despite not being known by many people. Anyway, I'm going to start by opening the packaging. It's simple packaging with very little information apart from the branding and some basic specifications. This is very similar to other earbuds that we've unboxed and provided first impressions of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And as with many other earbuds on this YouTube channel, I purchased these on Amazon UK. So, in terms of packaging, it's very, very simple. This one has a bit more plastic than usual. So there's a plastic insert here with the holder for the earbuds. And in here we have a charging cable, as well as a leaflet with some extra information and the usual spare silicone buds. So in this case we have extra bud tips, a USB type A to USB type C charger. It's a good sign to see that even inexpensive earbuds under £15 sterling are now starting to have USB type C, and a quick start guide here for the earbuds. Now let's focus on the earbuds themselves. This is what I'm quite excited about. What does less than £15 get you nowadays? So, glossy, fingerprinty plastic case with HolyHigh branding on the front. I seem to feel an LED light on the front there as well. And that's pretty much it. It's a little pebble with an extra space at the front to open it up. And the earbuds themselves are not the stick type. These are simple ones that should connect to your connect into your ear without sticking out, as some of the other ones in this price category do nowadays. So I'm going to take the pogo pin plastic protection off. So this will enable them to be switched on and charged. And in terms of battery life, HolyHigh declare that these should be good for 25 hours of use, with swap-ins and swap-outs from the case. So in this case, I've just popped them in. They'll be charging up. You can just see the little LED lights on the top of the earbuds here, indicating that they are charging. And so what I'm going to do is pair these earbuds to the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G and go through what the experience is like. I'll then go ahead and use these for a few hours, a few charges, and get back to you with some first impressions. So let's start off by ensuring Bluetooth is on my Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Bluetooth is on, so I'm going to take these out and pop them in my ear. These have a medium earbud by default on them, and they fit quite well in my relatively small ears. Both of them are on, so now all I need to do is search for earbuds. This is the Samsung One UI, or One Wiz as it's also known, and we can see HolyHigh EA8, the model number, popping up on screen here. I'm going to tap on that and pair. I'm going to go ahead and approve that. I now have approval of the connection gone through, so I now have my earbuds in, and you can see that audio is at 70%. So that's the audio battery to the earbuds as they come out of the box. So I'll be putting these through their paces for the next few hours, and I'll get back to you quickly. Right then, I'm back, and after a few hours and a few charge cycles of using the HolyHigh E8 wireless earbuds, I'm pleasantly impressed. Bearing in mind this set of Bluetooth 5 wireless earbuds is under £15 sterling on Amazon, and you will often find them discounted in lightning deals or with vouchers available on the Amazon UK page. These offer incredible value. Now I say that because it's not just because of the price level they're at, but actually using them for video, audiobooks, podcasts, music. The sound profile all round is very, very good. Slightly on the bassy side, as many people do prefer that type of gearing of sounds nowadays, and they worked great. I also made a quick video call to a friend to test how these work, and making a video call over Telegram, everything worked great. No issues there. I would say the only issue I do have with these earphones for this price range is what terrible fingerprint magnets they are. That lovely glossy plastic case just picks up fingerprints even if you don't touch it. I'm pretty convinced I saw a few fingerprints just turn up there. But apart from that, I have to say, battery life was between 2 and 2.5 hours of use on Bluetooth 5. That was a mix of the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, the Google Pixel 5, the iPhone 12, the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus, which we unboxed at the weekend, and also using them with my desktop computer. All these devices had no issues connecting to the earbuds. The controls are physical buttons on the earbuds, so it's really easy to set them up and use them. There's no sort of phantom touches on capacitive surfaces because it's an actual clicky button in the earbud. So overall, I'm really, really impressed. Value for money, I think these are great. That's my first impression. If you'd like to know more about my long-term impressions of these, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. And if you have any other questions or would like to give us some feedback, please do leave us a comment. So for now, I'm going to wrap up this quick unboxing and first impressions of the HolyHigh EA8 earbuds. As usual, on Earphone Tuesdays, we cover audio products for smartphones and tablets and give you some full long-term reviews, as well as first impressions, unboxings, and other audio-related sessions about earbuds and earphones. But for now, thank you for watching, and goodbye from me.